The confrontation between Iran and Israel is entering a dangerous new phase. Iran's powerful military arm, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, they are saying now that they have launched multiple new waves of missiles and drone attack as part of their campaign called Operation True Promise 4. Welcome to TimesXP's War Update with me, Triti Yatri. And according to Iranian officials, these attacks, they were not really about one strike, but several conservative waves. The 42nd, the 43rd, the 44th round of the operation. Here, Tehran claims that it has used a wide range of advanced missiles, including Imad missile, Kheibar missile, Kheibar Shigan missile, and along with that, Fattah supersonic missile with heavy long-range Khorramsher missile, along with explosive drones as well. Well, these weapons, they are considered among the most powerful system in Iran's military arsenal, with some capable of traveling hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. Here, Iran says that the missiles, they were aimed at key Israeli cities including Tel Aviv, Haifa and Kiryat Shmona. And yes, at the very same time, Iranian statement also claimed that some attacks targeted American military infrastructure connected to the United States' Fifth Fleet, which by the way operates in the waters of the Gulf and the surrounding region. Now, let's flip the script here. Reports from Israeli media say that air raid sirens sounded across parts of central Israel, and residents in Tel Aviv area, they heard loud explosions as air defense system, they moved into action. Israel's layered air defense system, right? The powerful Iron Dome aero missile defense system, it is being designed to intercept the incoming missiles, but larger barrages, they can still create chaos and fear among the civilians. Now, for some context here, Operation True Promise is the name Iran uses for its large-scale retaliation campaign against Israeli targets. Each wave, it refers to a new round of missile launches or drone attacks. Now, by announcing the 44th wave, Iranian commanders are signaling that the operation is ongoing and it could continue for a very long time. Military experts say that these repeated missile barrages, they show that how this conflict is evolving in a large-scale missile confrontation rather than their traditional battlefield fighting. Missiles and drones, they allow countries to strike from far away, meaning that cities, military bases, even infrastructure can become targets within minutes. And that is why the whole situation is worrying the international community right now. Because every new missile launch increases the risk that the conflict between Iran and Israel, it could expand further, pulling in more and more countries, threatening major shipping routes and destabilizing the wider Middle East. In other words, this is no longer just a regional dispute, ladies and gentlemen. It is turning into a high-stakes missile war watched by the entire world.